Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the Trillion Dollar Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Richards. The market is closed, and today we're starting the weekend charting series with SPY. You got that right, the S&P 500. This episode is about preparing for next week. We're going to look at the monthly performance, the weekly move, the sell-off from all-time highs, and then we're going to map the levels. 3 levels of support at least, and at least 3 levels of resistance to the upside. SPY has been extremely strong over the past 2 months. In April, SPY was up over 10%. In May, a little over 5%. This tells us that the trend has been strong. April was explosive. May was still positive, but the pace slowed down. And now this week, SPY was down 2.5%. That is important because it broke upside momentum that we've been seeing week after week. Tech sold off, semiconductor sold off, crypto sold off, the VIX spiked. Now let's get into these charts, y'all. This is it. This is SPY on a daily. And as you can see, this is a Friday candle. Huge red candle, y'all. We was building up for this many days, and all it took was this one day to take out about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, almost 5 days. So one red candle took about 1 week worth of growth. But we are in our smart money concept support zone here. So as long as we can stay above this 731.55, then we are good. I know we got a lot of buyers in this area. This is actually the last area that we bounced off of to give us this move to all-time highs. So should still be some buyers right here. If we do end up breaking this level, then we're going to come down here to the gap at 728, which is likely to get filled. That'll bring us to 725. And then we'll test this level here at 721.50. If we break that, my next level is 715. Okay, so to the upside, I got 739.80 followed by 744.80, 746.60, and then Friday's high is 752.80 followed by 758.30 and the all-time high of 760. All right, we're going to keep these episodes short. So, yeah. Want to check out the weekly chart. As you can see, we took out 2 weeks of growth with 1 week of downside. But before that, we was running. This is the March lows right here. So we was running. But now, is it just profit taking? Or is it something more? This is the monthly chart right here. So 2 very green months. And now we starting out this week very red. So the sell-off was driven by the jobs report. Non-farm payrolls came in much stronger than expected. And now the market is pricing in a higher odds that the Fed may raise rates later this year. And when rate risk comes back into the market, high valuation areas usually get hit first. And that's why we saw the sell-off, y'all. All right, next up, we'll be checking out QQQ. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Happy Sunday. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.